Hello, kids! Today, we're going to learn about two super important words, have and has. We use have and has to show possession or to talk about things we own, feel, or experience. For example, I have a book. She has a pen. Have is used with I, you, we, they. Here are some examples. I have a soccer ball. I have. You have a big smile. You have. We have a party. We have. They have exam today. They have. And we use has with he, she, it. Let's see some examples. He has a big house. He has. She has a dog. She has. It has a long tail. It has. Now remember this golden rule. Use have with plural nouns and pronouns like I, you, we, they. Use has with singular nouns and pronouns like he, she, it. Now you know how to use have and has like a pro. Keep practicing and using these words in your sentences. See you next time on Learn with Fun.